So I'm going to go ahead and put in the panel today. I want to put the AC port about right here. And then this guy, I'm going to probably try to put him up about right here. So that way the booster for the antenna can plug right in. And then I could put the inverter here. And then the battery piece from the inverter will plug into one of these two ports. The goal for today is to get, I have a somewhat similar looking oak panel to this veneer, and I also have to anchor this back in place. This was the panel that was originally there. It was very flexible. It falls apart after a while when you're unplugging and plugging in the wall jack. It doesn't hold its form very well. I even want to put, another port here, and so I'm afraid it'll fall apart after a while. I might as well use something that's has a better chance of holding up under use. It's a 1/4 inch plywood with a oak veneer on it. So now we'll go size this and see what happens. So now we put this guy here. Yeah. So that'll look kind of like that. Once it's nailed down, then that'll look like that. Everything will fit, and looks like it works. I'm happy with the way the panel will look. It's solid. Now I gotta go cut the holes out for the two panels. That'll be a little bit more cumbersome. I don't have any stencils or templates or anything that I can draw with. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually build my own template that I can trace with. Just kind of working the template. I'm just drawing this out on some cardboard. Basically, I'm tracing out roughly what the outside diameter is going to be. This inner track here is, so it's kind of the insides of the inside diameter of the hole. Oh, and by the way, when you're marking things, don't mark things on top of the panel you're working with. Totally common sense kind of thing, but I nicely marked on my panels. Yeah, so if you want to ruin a bunch of hard work, draw lines on top of your finished piece. Based on my measurements, that's where the AC receptacle is going to go. It looks like it fits, nice and flush. There's just enough room for some play, but not too much. And so I'm quite excited that worked out pretty well. So I'm gonna mark where my drill holes go. Mark my holes to drill. So that works. And now find its place right there. Perfect. Finish nailer. Hey, look, there's little arrows that look like they're pointing down.
These are tiny.
These are like each little one of these is a finishing nail. I do need the bigger ones. Perfect. Now, I'll test. Alright, not ripping the wall out anymore. Cool. That makes me happy. Put the panel right on there. So I bought these number 9 panhead square screws because they have the square tip. They match the same kind of screws that they use all throughout the Roadtrek. I just kind of wanted to keep the tradition going of the square tip heads. There we go. So we now have our cell phone booster powered and running.